Surely Allah, there is no hidden with Him anything in the earth or nor in the sky, but everything is visible to Him and nothing is hidden to Him. He is the one who make your faces. Yusabirukum, He make your faces in the wombs, whatever He like is. So it's not our mother or father who design our faces, but it's Allah who design it. Because Allah is Al-Musawwir, the one who make the faces for the people. There are 8 billion people in the world, and not even the twins are totally same. Even the twins have some differentiate between them. So 8 billion different people. 8 billion people have a different biometrics in the eyes. 8 billion people in the world today have a different fingerprints. 8 billion people have a different footprint. So this is a creation of Allah. Imagine that is one small face which is maybe like 1 square feet or less than 1 square feet. And Allah created the 8 billion people different look. Not two are identical. And Allah said, La ilaha illahu al-azizul hakim. There is no God except He. Al-Aziz al-Hakim, the Almighty, the most wise, the one who has all wisdom. He is the one who sent down upon you the kitab, the book. In it there are the ayatul muhkamat, hunna umul kitab. In it there are the ayat which is muhkamat, which is commands. Do it. The commands of Allah. So Allah said, Huwa alladhi anzala alayka al-kitaba. He who sent down upon you the book, the Quran. Minhu, in it, ayatul muhkamat. The ayat, the verses, which is muhkamat, which is for the commands. Hunna umul kitab. They are the mother of the book. They are the main part of the book. This is the essence of the book, to follow the commandments. What are the commandments of Allah? What are the teachings of Allah? The stories is also teaching us that these people were not obeying Allah, then Allah punished them. So what is the base of us in the Quran is to follow the commandments of Allah. What is Islam? To submit to the commands of Allah. Aslim, submit. So always is our success is commandment of Allah. The Christians, they say that the Paul teach them that blood is a sacrifice, is a salvation, but Jesus Christ Himself is said, if you want to go to paradise, then keep the commandments. So commandments is the base of us. If you want to get successful, then we need to follow the commandments of Allah and not to disobey Allah. And follow the commandment of Allah according to the ways of the prophets. وَأُخَرُ مُتَشَابِهَاتٍ and the rest of it are mutashabihat. And what is the mutashabihat is metaphoricals. And these are some metaphoricals in the Quran which people are taking it literal, which is very dangerous. First of all, put in your mind that Allah is only one. Allah is free from all needs. Allah is free from space and time. Allah is free from location and directions. Allah is free from any geographical location because He's infinite. He's unlimited. You cannot accommodate Him in anywhere because He's unlimited. When I was a child, our maid was in Pakistan. She used to tell us, you go to Makkah because Allah is inside the Kaaba. And now I'm laughing about it. How you can believe, some fool people believe that Allah is inside the Kaaba. No, Allah is out of limitation. Allah is infinite. The Kaabatullah is said Baitullah. It doesn't mean it's the house where Allah lives. It is the house of worship of Allah. So Baitullah means, if you take it literal, you are going to misguide yourself. That is house of Allah. So it means Allah is living there. No. The Kaaba is a Baitullah. It's a house of Allah to worship. So it's literal things. It's dangerous. For example, there is a Hadith Qudsi. The part of it is when you come to Allah one hand, Allah comes to you 2 hands. If you come to Allah by walking, Allah comes to you by running. And some foolish people, they take it literally. He said Allah is running. No, it is not literal. It is meaning that if you love to close to Allah, you love Allah, then Allah loves you most. That is not the geographical closeness. It is a metaphorical. It is means if you like to get close to Allah spiritually, then Allah likes to be close with you spiritually.